In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language on IQ option. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open IQ option. You can open the IQ option application or you can also open it on browser. If you want to open it on browser, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in iqoption.com/trader room. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of IQ option. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. Click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure appearance option is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find the options like time zone, theme settings, interface scale, interface language, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to see the language that is selected right now. What you have to do is simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find bunch of other languages over here. Click on the language that you would like to use. Now after you do that, you can see over here the language has been changed. So that is how you change language on IQ option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.